Hey friends, today in this video I'm going to explain about a PowerShell script that will help us to update the Active Directory users and their properties, including first name, last name, display name and name, which is currently showing over here. So let's start. I'm going to check the first name and last name of this test02 account. So currently this is the value for first name and accordingly last name and display name. So we require two things. One is the PowerShell script and second the CSV file in which you have to specify the values that you want to update as per their SAM account name. So this CSV file containing the SAM account name, first name and last name. So if this test account, that is test.user1, exists in my Active Directory, so this will update the value test and for the first name and user for the last name. So let's start. I'm going to open the PowerShell script and open. Now in this PowerShell script you can just validate the things what exactly we have mentioned. So first we are just using import -module Active Directory. So this command is just importing the Active Directory module here, and next is CSV file path. So this variable contains the CSV file by their path, and next it's importing the CSV file into this $users variable. And next we are using for each loop, and this for each loop is just checking the each and every values which exist in the CSV file. Next, check if the user exists in AD. So this variable is just running the get-ADUser command, and this is just validating if the user exists which we mentioned inside the CSV file. So this will just validate this, and if this account exists in my Active Directory, then this will start updating the values for my Active Directory users by using Set-ADUser identity and the values which we just mentioned inside the CSV file. So I'm just scrolling it down and update the name attribute. Basically we were just talking about this name attribute. So this will not only update the display name, first name, last name, but also this will update the name attribute over here. So this will get changed. So I'm just going to minimize this. So I'm using this Rename-ADObject identity, ADUser distinguished name and new name. So new name will be the display name. Once this will get executed, and if user exists in my Active Directory, then we will get the report in a green color. If this account does not exist, so we will see the error in the red color, that user not found. So let's start. I'm going to execute this PowerShell script. So there are the two users which have been just updated by their new first name, last name, display name and their name attribute as well. So let's start. I'm going to refresh my Active Directory now, and let's see. So this user attribute have been changed for these two users. So we'll see the first name and last name also, and the display name as well. So you can just use this PowerShell script to updating the values of your Active Directory users, including first name, last name and display name and name as well. If you want to just use this PowerShell script, so you can visit my blog website, that is info.elias.com, and here we just given this PowerShell script, entire PowerShell script we just mentioned over here. And you can use this PowerShell script in your lab environment, or you can test it for few users first, then you can just use this PowerShell script for rest of the users whatever that you want to update in your Active Directory. Thank you for watching this video.